We've installed the pneumatic dispensing system, but how do we keep it stable and ensure precision in automated production? That's where the multifunctional mounting assembly comes into play. This setup includes a high-strength metal baseplate that attaches directly to XYZ robotic dispensers and 6-axis robotic arms. It holds everything in place, reducing vibrations and preventing misalignment during operation. Another key feature is the quick-release clamp, which makes cartridge changes incredibly fast, cutting down on downtime and improving workflow efficiency. One of the most important components here is the dispensing valve, which can be configured in both horizontal and vertical setups depending on the application. The horizontal setup is ideal for faster cycle times as it shortens the adhesive flow path, optimizing flow consistency and precision. The vertical setup, on the other hand, is beneficial when working with gravity-assisted dispensing or when specific application requirements demand a top-down flow. This valve is built from high-quality stainless steel, designed to withstand high pressure and resist corrosive adhesives. It's also compatible with different nozzle types and diameters, providing flexibility in dispensing applications. This is critical when working with medium or high viscosity adhesives. Any inconsistency in dispensing can affect bonding quality and production efficiency. Now that everything is secure and optimized, the next step is controlling the adhesive flow with precision. That's exactly what we'll cover in the next episode: how the pneumatic dispensing controller regulates flow and ensures accurate application. Stay tuned.